Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy text from emails in your Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. On your Android device, open up the Google Translate app. It's available on your device by default, but in case if not, you can simply install that from Google Play Store. All you have to do is open Google Play Store and on the search bar type in Google Translate, then install this application. Once you're installed, open up the application and at the very bottom of this interface you will get an option that will simply translate your text, that is Spanish to English. In my case, you can customize the way you want, and once you're done with that, on your interface at the bottom right corner you will get camera icon. Tap on there. Now you can either take a picture from your camera or else you can also import from your gallery as well. In order to do so, tap on the gallery icon from the bottom left corner. Now select the picture from where you would like to copy the text. After you do that, again at the bottom of this interface, you will get an option as select all. So tap on there. Now all this text from this image has been copied or selected. In order to copy that, tap on copy option. Now the text has been copied. After that, you can simply open up your note on your device or go through any of the text bar. After you do that, you can simply paste the text here, and as you can see, the text has been copied, and that's how you can copy text from emails in your Android device. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.